Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to unarchive chats on Telegram web. If you've ever accidentally archived a conversation, or maybe just want to bring an old chat back into your main list, you're in the right place. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to easily access and restore any hidden or archived message, so you never lose track of important conversations. Let's dive straight in. First things first, you want to open up Telegram web and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, your eyes should land on your main chat list. This is where all your ongoing conversations live. If you've used Telegram web before, you probably know that this area can get a bit crowded, especially if you're part of a lot of group chats, channels, or you message friends frequently. Archiving chats is a great way to keep things tidy, but sometimes we need to bring those chats back into the spotlight. Now, here's a helpful tip. The way Telegram web hides your archived chats folder isn't immediately obvious. To find it, you'll need to drag your main chat list downwards. Think of it a bit like shaking out a drawer to see what's stuck at the back. Just click and hold near the top of your chat list, and with a gentle downward pull, you'll see a new folder pop into view labeled Archived Chats. This step sometimes trips people up, so don't worry if it takes a second to get the gesture right. If you're using a mouse or trackpad, try clicking and moving downward smoothly. You might need to give it a gentle tug rather than a quick flick. Once you've got the Archived Chats folder showing, go ahead and click on it. This will open up a special section where Telegram stores all the chats you've decided to clean away from your main list. If you haven't archived much, you might just see one or two conversations. If you're a frequent archiver, there could be a whole collection waiting for you here, like finding a box of old postcards or notes you tucked away for safekeeping. Now for the main event. Browse through your archived chats and find the one you want to restore. Maybe it's a work group, an old friend's message, or even a channel with updates you need to revisit. Click on that chat to open it. Look for the Unarchive button, usually found at the top right corner of the chat window. Click it, and just like that, Telegram will bring your chat back to your main list. It's a simple action, but it's powerful. You're essentially telling Telegram, hey, I want to keep this conversation handy again. The chat will reappear instantly alongside your active conversations, ready for you to continue messaging, sharing files, or just reminiscing over past messages. And that's it, you've successfully unarchived your chat on Telegram web. Remember, archiving and unarchiving is a flexible way to organize your digital communication. Don't worry if you need to repeat these steps, or if it takes a moment to get used to the layout. Once you've tried it a couple of times, it becomes second nature. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And if you still have questions or run into any tricky spots, let me know in the comments. I'm happy to help. Don't forget to subscribe for more step-by-step walkthroughs to make your life a little easier. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.